Robot vacuums have become incredibly smart over the past few years, but many of them still struggle with the same problems. They smear dirty water around the floor, leave dust along the edges of walls, get tangled with hair, and require more maintenance than most people expect. The ECOVACS DEEBOT T90 PRO OMNI aims to solve all of those problems while coming in at a much more accessible price than many flagship robot vacuums. Right out of the box, the T90 PRO OMNI looks like a premium robot vacuum. The robot itself has a clean, modern design, and the Omni docking station is surprisingly compact considering everything it does. Setup is straightforward through the ECOVACS app, and within a few minutes, the robot was mapping my entire home. The initial mapping process was quick, and once completed, it created an accurate floor plan with very little effort. One thing I immediately noticed is how quiet the robot is. Even during normal vacuuming, it produces less noise than many competing robot vacuums I've tested, making it easy to clean while you're watching TV, working from home, or even during nap time. The biggest difference between the T90 PRO OMNI and most robot vacuums is its mopping system. Instead of using two spinning mop pads like most competitors, ECOVACS uses a 27cm Osmo Roller 3.0 roller mop. This completely changes how the robot cleans. Rather than dragging dirty pads across your floor, the roller continuously scrubs the surface while simultaneously washing itself with fresh water throughout the cleaning process. That means it's constantly cleaning with a fresh section of the roller instead of spreading the dirty water around your house. This became especially noticeable during my testing with dried spills and sticky messes in the kitchen. Things like sauce splatters, dried juice, milk, dirt, and food residues that often require multiple passes with traditional robot mops were removed much more effectively. The roller also applies approximately 3,800 PA of downward pressure, allowing it to scrub stains instead of simply wiping across them. Perhaps my favorite part is watching the roller continuously rinse itself while cleaning. Instead of finishing your house with an increasingly dirty mop pad, the T90 PRO OMNI constantly refreshes the roller using clean water through its pressurized self-washing system. The result is noticeably cleaner floors with fewer streak marks. Another area where robot vacuums often struggle is cleaning along baseboards and inside corners. The T90 PRO OMNI addresses this with TrueEdge 3.0. As it approaches walls or cabinets, the roller extends up to 1.5 centimeters beyond the body of the robot. This allows it to clean much closer to edges than traditional designs. During testing, I noticed fewer dust lines along my kitchen cabinets and baseboards. Corners that usually require manual cleanup were much cleaner after the robot finished. It's one of those improvements you don't really think about until you actually see the difference. Vacuuming performance is equally important. The T90 PRO OMNI uses ECOVACS' new Blast High Airflow suction system capable of producing up to approximately 30,000 PA of maximum suction. While numbers don't tell the whole story, the actual pickup performance was excellent. On carpet, it pulled embedded dirt surprisingly well for a robot vacuum, and if you have pets, you'll appreciate the upgraded Zero Tangle 4.0 system. Hair is directed into the suction path instead of wrapping around the main brush. After several cleaning sessions, I checked the brushes expecting to remove wrapped hair, but there was almost nothing to clean. That alone, if you think about it, can save a surprising amount of maintenance over time. If your home has a mix of carpet and hardwood floors, the T90 PRO OMNI handles both exceptionally well. As soon as it detects carpet, the roller automatically lifts up to 15 millimeters to optimize cleaning. It also includes a carpet first feature, which vacuums all carpeted areas before it begins mopping your hardwood floors. This helps prevent rugs from getting wet while ensuring they receive a thorough vacuum first. Through the ECOVACS app, you can also choose from multiple carpet cleaning strategies, allowing you to customize how the robot cleans different carpeted areas throughout your home. As for moving between floor types, it's equally impressive. Thanks to its TruePass adaptive 4-wheel drive system, the T90 PRO OMNI confidently climbs thresholds and transitions between rooms with ease. Navigation is another area where the T90 PRO OMNI performs extremely well. Its AIVI 3D 4.0 obstacle avoidance system identifies cables, toys, pet bowl, shoes, furniture legs, and other common household obstacles with impressive accuracy. Instead of getting stuck, it intelligently routes around them while still covering nearly every accessible part of the room. So after multiple cleaning sessions, I rarely had to rescue the robot or restart a cleaning cycle. This kind of reliability makes scheduled cleaning so much more practical and enjoyable, let's say. The docking station is where the magic happens. After every cleaning session, the station automatically washes the roller using water up to 75 degrees Celsius depending on how dirty the room was. Instead of using one fixed temperature, it intelligently adjusts the washing temperature for different cleaning situations. Super cool. Once washing is complete, the roller is dried using 63-degree hot air to help prevent odors and bacteria growth. The station also automatically cleans the dirty water system to reduce sludge buildup over time. Combined with its long-lasting wash trays that's designed for up to 150 days of maintenance-free operation, there's very little day-to-day maintenance required. For busy households, this makes a huge difference. Another feature I like is power boost charging. If the battery drops below 85%, the robots can quickly recharge while it's washing the roller, adding around 10% battery in just 3 minutes. You can actually watch this happen in the ECOVACS app as the battery percentage increases, which helps reduce downtime and lets the robot get back to cleaning much sooner, especially during larger cleaning jobs. Now let's take a look at the app. The ECOVACS app is packed with features but remains easy to use. You can create schedules, customize cleaning zones, adjust suction levels, choose carpet behavior, and control exactly how each room is cleaned. If you prefer voice control, Agent Eco lets you simply say commands like "Hi Eco, clean the kitchen," and the vacuum starts doing its thing. There's also an easy mode designed for users who don't want to navigate lots of advanced settings, making the robot much more accessible for seniors or for anyone who prefers simplicity. After using the T90 PRO OMNI regularly, what impressed me most wasn't one individual feature, it was how everything worked together. The roller stays clean while mopping, hair doesn't wrap around the brushes, the robot cleans right up against the walls, the docking station handles nearly all of the maintenance, and navigation is reliable. And it does all of this while remaining surprisingly quiet. Overall, if you have kids, pets, or simply want a robot vacuum that requires very little attention while delivering consistently clean floors, the Deebot T90 PRO OMNI is an easy recommendation. It combines powerful cleaning, smart automation, and low maintenance into a package that feels much more expensive than its price suggests.